Bryson boy. Hey, quit banging on the furniture. I'm serious. Stop it. I'm bang on you.
Now you can see why we put him behind bars. Lowering the crib for Bryson at 8 months old because he's starting to sit up and pull up.
And more great narration by his mom.
Well, you weren't saying anything yourself.
He was doing it for himself.
Someone's Skyping. Bye-bye.